Myth 11 is the one around, can we really coach any business? Do you work with any kind of business? How is that possible? And what are the types of businesses that you coach? Pretty much anything you can think of, we've coached. With our 1,000 coaches around the world, in fact, most of those businesses have actually been run or been in by the coaches before they've joined. And we can tap into that network on a global scale. Whether you're a service-based business, a manufacturing business, a retail business, a wholesale business, whether you have IP as your product or product, tangible, that you sell, doesn't matter. Any business runs on the fundamentals. There's 9 hats that every entrepreneur needs to use and wear successfully in their business to grow and to prosper. And when we coach you, we focus on really that broad-based spectrum, because this is the reality. Business owners, entrepreneurs, have a business that matches either their skill or their passion. You could be the best plumber, the best chef, the best photographer, the best software programmer, even the best doctor in the world. Does that mean that you can run a profitable and sustainable business of that service, that skill, that passion, that product? Not necessarily, because nobody still teaches anybody how to do that. And as a business coach, we work with you to ensure that you become more comprehensive, that you can manage the right areas where you might not be strong in, but that you can guide it through the strategy to get you to the next level.